How to set up APN for Holafly eSIM. The first step is to find out which APN your Holafly eSIM has. On iOS, go to Settings and then Cellular. Once there, select your Holafly eSIM and tap Cellular Data Network. You will see the access point names, or APN. On Android, go to Settings and then Connections. Once there, select Mobile Network and tap Access Point Names, or APN. You may need to press the menu button, often 3 dots or lines, to find this option. After checking which APN you have, change it to one of the following: Holafly, CM-Link, CMHK, internet.proximus.be, dry.at, or orange. And then restart your phone. You may have to try several of these and find out which one works for you. Remember that sometimes simply resetting the network settings on your device can help reconfigure Holafly APN. It's easy to do. For iPhone, go to Settings and then General. Scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once there, tap on Reset and then Reset Network Settings. Finally, confirm your selection with the Reset Network Settings option. For Android, go to Settings. Once there, tap on General Management. Select Reset and Reset Mobile Network Settings. Finally, tap on Reset Settings.